Hi everyone. In this quick video, I wanted to take a look at these two actions, and we've had a couple questions about why would I ever use the Office 365 create list item over the kind of out-of-the-box create list item action within my workflow. Well, the short answer to this is not only does the Office 365 create list item or document set allow you to create document sets, but it also allows you to create list items on sites outside of the current site where the workflow is running. If you've ever used the create list item, you've probably noticed that in your target list, you only have access to the lists on your current site. And sometimes your workflow needs to interact with other sites within your SharePoint environment. And so to facilitate this, we've created the Office 365 create list item action. In this action, you specify the destination site where you want this item to be created, and you'll provide the list or document library if you were creating a document set. And then you have to select a connection through our connection manager. This is because the action needs permission to be able to create this item or document set on another site in your environment. Then what you will do is select the fields that you would like to create. In this test, we're just doing the title field. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this workflow now. And in this test, we're going to create two different items. The first in the create list item is going to be here on my site in this list testing list. And so that is going to be right here. We'll create an item here. And then the second item is actually going to be created on an entirely different site, which is our migration site on a list called tasking. And so that's going to be this list right over here. So we'll go ahead and run this workflow. And what we should see is two things happen. The first is we'll have an item called this was created via workflow show up in our list testing here. And then we'll have an item called this was created from a workflow show up in our tasking list over here. So if I refresh these, you can see this was created from a workflow and this was created via a workflow. So our workflow has worked successfully. So I hope that gives some insight into why you would use the create list item action versus the Office 365 create list item action. If you have any other questions around the Office 365 actions from Nintex or migration to Office 365, come check us out in the Nintex community at community.nintex.com. Thank you.